good value, 7.5. $110,000 plus that. Let's see what you get for your money in the back. Sure, I remember seeing pictures of this thing in magazines when I was a kid. Tribute. Well, look, you can have that wonky Porsche Tribute, or you can have a Ferrari convertible. This is the only one I want, the Magnum Ferrari. Testarossa. Always thought these looked a bit weird and chunky at the back. And I still think they look weird and chunky at the back. I mean, if someone says, yeah, what's my Ferrari like? Yeah, given I haven't got one, but there's a lot prettier ones you could buy for less money. The size comparison and that midget next to like a modern Golf. Quite a bit shorter and half the height. Yeah, Testarossa for 200, or that one for 65. More Ferrari convertibles. More AC Cobra replicas. Another GT40. Wonder if this is the one in there. How to take that video. The Ghetto one, I think Harry's Garage had one of them, didn't he? Harry, what's his name? Metcalf, is it? Can't remember. The auction's going on. Four Lotus Elites. Another birthday. XJS Eventer. XJ40 Estate, rare thing. fiberglass Daimler. On an S-Reg. This must be a crossover year. My first car was a Mark II Escort Estate. VHK 128S in red. It's dead now. A very clean Metro. Peaky Blinders. Air suspension stuff in the boot.
We'll be taking that off just for a while.
Even got a leather cover on the cam cover. I'll try and find the Hillman Owners Club in here somewhere. Commissioned by Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. Yeah, well, I followed one of these up the M3 a few weeks ago. Ferrari, I think it was OVV 4M or OVV 4G or something, 4F. No, I just looked it up. It was just OVV 4. One thing the mate just said. These are the same indicators on my Sunbeam Venezia, built in the same factory by the same people at the same time.